So let's go in and let's create your YouTube channel. So if you go to your browser and put in YouTube, it's going to take you to the YouTube's website. You can accept their all of their cookies and policies. You might already have your YouTube signed in with your Google account, but what I suggest is creating a new YouTube by using your new Gmail account for your business. And this is going to allow you to just add other people to your YouTube channel to help you in the future if you need to add people like VAs and so on. So to do that, we are going to come here and go to sign in. And then if you don't already have a Google account for your business, you can come here and click create account and then create one account for your Google business. And I have a video on that and I will link it down below. That shows you how to create a Google account for your business. It's basically the same as creating for the personal one, but it just gives you more options. And since I already have that, I'm just going to sign in with mine. Then it will ask you your password and just click next. And now you are signed in. It might ask you to add some things that you don't have yet, but I'm just going to click not now. And that's it. Now we have our new account on YouTube. And in order to actually create your YouTube channel, you have to come here to your profile image and click on this create a channel. And here it will ask you what do you want your channel's name to be. So it can be your name, or you can have your branding name, your business name, or whatever. And what handle would you like to have? So let's say I will create this name just because I want also people to know what I'm showing them on my channel. So I will leave this as this and my handle as Marta Korik. And I will click create channel. You can always change this name and you can always upload a picture later. So I will leave that for next steps. But for now, just put in your name and put in what handle you want to have and then create channel. And I'm going to show you now how to actually set up your YouTube channel from the start the good way. So you can actually use some of the settings that you are not able to use now before those settings are created. So to do that, go to your icon over here and go to your YouTube Studio. So click on this YouTube Studio and it will tell you welcome to your YouTube Studio. So this is basically your channel's back end where you can see all the analytics, you can see all the videos you have and so on. So first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to these settings, click on this. And then we are going to go to the second one, which is channel. And then we are going to go to this feature eligibility. So this is going to give us more features. So for now, we just have the standard features. But if we want to have like videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and so on, we actually need to verify our phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my phone number to be verified. And then I will have all of these extra features. And then you can also have advanced features, which is upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, and so on. If you give them your ID, so you would take a photo of your ID, and then after 2 months they would delete that ID, but this is not necessary in the beginning, so you can just go with this verifying your phone number so you can get all of these features. So put in your phone number and click get code. So once you have your code, click submit. And now my phone number is verified and I can use all of those other features. So I can go back to the channel and click on close. As you see, if I go back to eligibility, I have these and these enabled now, and then later on I will put my ID so I have the other features enabled as well. So after editing the settings, we are going to go into customizations. So if you click on customizations, you can change the layout of your channel. You can do your branding here and put in your basic info. So what I would do is in the basic info, I would put a little description about your channel. So what is your channel going to be about, and what are you, maybe when you are going to upload videos and so on. But if you are going to just use your YouTube channel to store videos and share with your clients, maybe this is not necessary. And for your branding, you can upload your profile picture and your banner image. And where you can do these is in Canva, for example. So I've done my profile picture in Canva and I've done my banner image in Canva. So if you just go to Canva and type in search YouTube profile picture, it's going to give you a template, and you can choose from all the different templates that are already created and just add your image there, or just upload an image of yourself. And the banner image as well, just go to Canva and type in banner image for YouTube, and you will have a lot of examples that you can use. So to upload the profile picture, I will just go to the upload and select my profile picture from my folders on the computer. Click done. And now this is my profile picture, and I'm going to upload my banner image. And this is going to be, they say which part is actually visible. So that's why when you put in Canva a banner image for your YouTube, you're going to get these kind of examples that are basically suitable for the channel art and for the banner. So this is going to show you that this is viewable on all devices. So on all devices, people are going to be able to see my name and what is my channel about. This one is viewable on desktop, so they're going to be able to see this whole thing and grab my freebie here, which then I can put a link there, and then this is viewable on TV. And once you are happy with that, you can click on done. And now this is set up for your channel. And in the layout, you can actually add here a trailer for your channel. So you can put a featured video that people see when they land on your channel, or you can have a different featured video for people that are already subscribed. And here you can put what sections you would like under that. So you can have short videos or any other videos. So you can add sections here. So you can put popular videos, for example, or a certain playlist that you create, and so on. So I will just leave this as it is now, or just maybe delete this and leave just videos that have been recently uploaded, and then the most popular videos below that. And then I will just click on publish. And now my channel is created, and I can click here and go view channel. And I can see here how my channel banner looks like and how my channel will look like when people come in here. So they can see my videos here, they can see my playlists and about me. So I can put here more about me, and I can come back and customize channel or manage videos. I'm going to leave it at this for now, and I'm going to create a new video that is going to show you how to upload your videos and share them with your clients, or how to upload your videos to your YouTube channel. So I will show you now how you can upload a video to your YouTube channel. So if you go to your profile picture over here and to your YouTube studio, and here in the dashboard, go to the content, and here you can upload videos. So if you click on this, you can go and select the files that you want to upload. So I have created a Tidycall tutorial video, so I will upload that video over here. And then you have to wait a little bit until the video is uploading, but you can already select the link and copy that link that you can then share with people. Then in here you can add a description. So you can write what this video is about and put in some keywords so that people can then find it more easily on YouTube. Or if you are putting this as your secret video that you're just going to share with your clients, there is no need to put any details here. So once you have put in the title and the description, you can then upload the thumbnail. So I prepared the thumbnail for this already, and I'm going to upload it here. You can also add here if you have a playlist or create a new playlist. So I'm just gonna leave it empty for now. And then you can select here if this is made for kids or not. So you can select no, it's not made for kids, so that then it doesn't show up in the kids channel. So as the video is uploading, you can then, after setting this up, you can go to next. And here you can edit some of the things that I'm not going to edit now because I don't have any other videos that I can add on, or I don't have an end screen video, so I will not do this now, but this can always be added later. So before we can publish the video, this is going to be checked for any copywriting issues. So if there is no copywriting issues, then they will be able to publish. So I will just leave that as this. So they will start running once the SD upload has been finished. So here you can see that SD uploading is in 6 minutes and HD is in 43 minutes. And then I can click next. And then here is the visibility where you can actually select if you want your video to be private, unlisted or public. So if you put on unlisted, that means that it's not going to show up on YouTube, but anyone with the link can actually watch the video. So you can copy the link and send it directly to your clients. So if I copy that link, I can send it to my clients that maybe requested this tutorial from me, and I can share it with them. Or you can set it as private, as public, and then everyone can watch this video. And you can also schedule that this video goes out at a specific time. So this can go out on Monday, and then you can just put it as schedule, or I can publish it immediately. So if I click here, it's going to be then published immediately. But if you want to just share it with your clients, you can put it as unlisted, and you can always change this later and put it to public. So for now, I'm going to leave it as unlisted, and I'm just going to copy this link, and I will be able to share it with my clients. So when you are done with this, just click on save, and it will tell you that it's still processing the video, but you can then later on access that video here, and then you can click on close. So this video is going to show up here. You will be able to edit it. You will be able to see analytics, comments, views on YouTube, and so on. So you are going to see your videos here as you start populating and putting more videos. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be happy to answer them. And this is it for this video now.